In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to sign up on impact.com as affiliate. So first, you need to open any search engine or web browser, but in this case, I am using a Google Chrome because it is very convenient in my case, but you could also use any search engines based on your preference. So after that, you need to utilize the search bar and just simply type in impact.com slash get dash started, and once you're in, you will see this page and you just have to scroll it down. And as you can see, there are two options right here, which is the for brands and agencies, as well as it has the request a demo button. And on the right side, you will see the for creators, influencers, and publishers, and it has the sign up as a partner. So in this case, we are going to click the sign up as a partner since we're going to sign up with an affiliate. So after you click on that, you will redirect to this page, which is you could sign up using Apple, Facebook, Google, X, or formerly Twitter, as well as LinkedIn. And after that, you could also use your any email so that you could actually sign up on impact.com with an affiliate. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.